Hello. One of the best aspects of my two roles with the Edge AI and Vision Alliance and BDTI is that I get to see a wide range of technologies for vision and Edge AI, as well as applications. And each year I get to talk with and work with hundreds of teams who are developing and deploying vision and Edge AI-based solutions across all industries: healthcare, industrial, retail, automotive, consumer, etc. What I'm going to try to do in this presentation today is integrate what I've seen and learned over the past year, extracting what I think are some of the most important things that are happening in the technology, the applications, and the industry. And not just what's happening, but why it's happening, and some of the key implications. And I'll try to keep things real with some examples of real applications and exemplary building block technologies to illustrate these trends. It's easy to get focused on what's right in front of us and lose track of what has changed and what is changing. But I think it's important to step back every once in a while and look at the changes that are happening for a number of reasons, including looking for clues about how we may want to change our plans and strategies to reflect the new and emerging reality. I think that these are the 5 most important things that have changed in the past few years in our field and that are still changing today in terms of practical computer vision technology and applications. First is the emergence of deep learning as a dominant technique for transforming pixels and other sensor data into meaning. Second is the availability of data at scale, which of course is essential to being able to train deep neural networks. Third is the increasing availability of high performance, but also energy efficient and inexpensive processors that are enabling us to deploy these demanding deep neural network and other algorithms widely. Fourth is cloud computing. Although, as I'll argue in a few minutes, I think most of the growth and interesting action is going to happen at the edge. Nevertheless, for the development and deployment of products, cloud computing plays a tremendous role. And then finally is the investment, massive investment in this space in terms of money and in terms of talent, in the building block technologies and in the systems and applications. And all of these things are coming together, converging to create tremendous change and tremendous opportunity. But there are caveats and limits associated with each of these trends, and I'll discuss those throughout the talk.